Tired of spending hours dragging, dropping, and aligning shapes just to make a simple flowchart? What if you could just describe what you want and let AI build the entire diagram for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Wondershare EdrawMax. It's a well-known diagramming tool that's getting a massive upgrade with AI. The big question is this the ultimate AI diagram maker you should be using? Let's break down what it does, what features it brings to the table, and whether it's worth your time. EdrawMax is a visual creator designed to help you build almost anything visual. We're talking about flowcharts, mind maps, floor plans, Gantt charts, electrical wiring diagrams, and UML structures. In fact, they offer over 210 different types of diagram solutions and a massive library of free templates to get you started. You can use it on your desktop, on the web, on mobile, or even directly inside Microsoft Word and PowerPoint using their add-ins. But the real highlight here is the EdrawMax AI agent. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, the tool lets you describe what you need in plain English. The AI agent is built to understand your prompt, generate the diagram, and then help you improve or modify it. It's designed for speed and precision, aiming to take the tedious manual work out of brainstorming and planning. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. To be completely transparent with you guys, we currently have limited external user review data in our source research for this version, so we can't give you a consensus on what the community thinks about its long-term performance just yet. However, looking at the tool itself, the obvious pro is the sheer versatility. Having 210+ diagram types in one app means you don't need separate tools for floor plans, mind maps, and coding architecture. On the flip side, because AI-generated diagramming is still a developing technology, highly complex or niche technical diagrams might still require some manual fine-tuning and editing after the AI does its initial draft. Overall, if you are someone who frequently creates visual layouts, presentations, or workflows, EdrawMax's AI features could save you a ton of time. It takes the pressure off starting from scratch. You can actually try EdrawMax online for free to see how the AI agent handles your specific prompts. Head over to their website to check it out. If you found this quick breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to draw your workflow diagrams? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.